Hello everybody. Today's lesson is on community helpers, and the book we are focusing on is Clothesline Clues to Jobs People Do. The first thing you'll want to do is go to my YouTube channel, Mrs. Gum's Speech Room, and look under the playlist for community helpers, and this will be the first image that pops up. Watch the read aloud of Clothesline Clues to Jobs People Do, and then we can work on this lesson together. Did you like the book, Clothesline Clues to Jobs People Do? Are you ready to get started on some activities with the book? Let's go. Let's review some of the jobs that people do in the book that we are reading. First, there was the mail carrier, and then the farmer. Next came the chef, and then the artist. The book talked about a carpenter and a firefighter. Now, since we reviewed all of the jobs that people can do, let's answer some questions. What does a mail carrier deliver? Babies, puppies, or mail? Next question. Who cooks stew? An artist, a chef, or a firefighter? Next question. Who uses a saw and wears a tool belt? Is it a construction worker, a mailman, or an astronaut? How about where does an astronaut go? The post office, the fire station, or a rocket ship? Next question, what does an artist use to paint? A brush, a pen, or a nail? Next question, who wears overalls and a straw hat? A mailman, a farmer, or a chef? Now let's answer some questions without the use of pictures. First question, who carries a bag of letters? Next question, who wears overalls and a plaid shirt? Next, what does a firefighter wear? What does an astronaut need to review? What does a chef wear? Who uses a tool belt? Who wears a space suit and a jetpack? What does the chef need to follow to make stew? Now some questions that ask why. First question, why does an artist wear a smock? Why does an artist need an easel? Why does a firefighter wear heavy pants and a coat? Why does a firefighter need a long hose? Why does a farmer wear a straw hat? And why does a chef use an oven mitt? All good questions to get you thinking about why these people do the things and need the things that they do. Next, let's think about different kinds of tools. A carpenter needs tools to do the job. What kind of tools do you think a carpenter would wear on his tool belt? Can you think of some different kinds of tools? How many different kinds of tools can you think of? Thanks for joining me in this lesson. I'll be sending out some activities that you can do at home so you can enjoy even more activities with this book, Clothesline Clues to Jobs People Do. Thanks!